Welcome to our online class. I am Ehsan Al Mamun, Kishado Adarsha Girls High School. Today we discuss English for today for class 7. Lesson 1, Prize Giving Day at School. Keywords: Eminent, outstanding, performance. Look at the picture and discuss the following questions. Who can you see in the picture? What are they doing? B. Read the text about a prize giving ceremony. Farabi is Flora's best friend. They live in the same area. Also, they are both in class 7, but they go to different schools. It is school holiday. Flora has come to visit Farabi. They are talking. Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. Yesterday was our school prize giving day, Farabi says. On this occasion, our school auditorium and its dais are brightly decorated. Prizes are also neatly displayed on a separate table on the dais. All the students are present at the function. Among others, the guardians and some eminent persons of the locality attend the function. Farabi continues. The principal of PN College was the chief guest. When did the function start? Flora asked. Oh, it is started on time just at 4 p.m., Farabi says. Our head teacher first read out the annual report. Then the chief guest gave a short speech. He highly praised the overall performance of the school and its excellent JSC and SSC exam results. Then he gave away the prizes among the students for their outstanding activities. Did you get any prize, Farabi? Flora inquires. Yes, I did, Farabi replies. I have got 2 prizes, one for regular attendance and the other for good results in the last annual exams. Now we discuss about the questions. Number C, match words with their meanings. First word: visit, ceremony, eminent, praise, outstanding, display. The meanings: speak highly of something or somebody, extremely good, good to see a person or place, put something in a place where you can see it easily. Function: people having lots of power and influence. First one is done for you. Just like visit means go to see a person or place. Number D, ask and answer in pairs. Make questions and then choose answers from this table. There are 2 main columns. One column is for questions and the other column is for answers. Just like, I'm making a question. How was the auditorium decorated? Then you will make questions from by what, who, where. The question and the answer you will write on your notebook. Question number E. Complete the passage with the verbs in the box. Give their correct forms. The verbs are be, sing, speak, stage. At the of the prize giving function, there dash a cultural show. The students dash, dance and dash. A one act play. It was so good that everyone dashed highly of it. Number F. This is the main question. Do you have a sports day at your school? First, tell the class about it and then write about it in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.